Hello, my name is Asifa Amilatu Shalma. I'm from class 2A and I'm going to storytelling about Timun Mas, the golden cucumber. Long ago, in a quiet village near a forest, there lived an old widow named Mbok Srini. She lived alone and felt very lonely. Every day she prayed and wished for a child to keep her company. One day, while she was working in her small field, a terrifying giant suddenly appeared. His voice was loud and deep, but he spoke with a strange calmness. The giant said that he could grant her wish. He gave Mbok Srini a magical cucumber seed and told her to plant it. "You will have a child," the giant said. "But remember, when the child grows up, you must give her back to me." Although she was frightened, Mbok Srini agreed because she longed so much for a child. She planted the seed carefully and took care of it every day. Soon, a large golden cucumber grew from the ground. When she opened it, she found a beautiful baby girl inside. Mbok Srini named her Timun Mas, which means golden cucumber. Timun Mas grew into a kind, brave, and beautiful girl. Mbok Srini loved her very much and often forgot about her promise to the giant. They lived happily together for many years. But one day, when Timun Mas became a young girl, the giant returned. His footsteps shook the ground as he came to claim his promise. "Give me the girl," he demanded. But Srini was terrified and begged for more time. The giant agreed to return later, giving her a short delay. Desperate to save her daughter, Mbok Srini went to a hermit who lived on a mountain. The hermit gave her 4 magical items: cucumber seeds, needles, salt, and shrimp paste. He told her to give them to Timun Mas and explained how to use them if the giant came. When the giant returned, Mbok Srini told Timun Mas to run as fast as she could. The giant chased her through fields and forests, his heavy steps getting closer and closer. As the giant nearly caught her, Timun Mas threw the cucumber seeds behind her. Instantly, they grew into a vast field of vines and cucumbers, blocking the giant's path. But the giant was strong and managed to push through. Next, Timun Mas threw the needles. They turned into a dense forest of sharp bamboo and thorns. The giant struggled and got stretched all over his body, but he kept chasing her. Then she threw the salt. It became a wide, deep sea. The giant had to swim across it, which slowed him down, but he was still determined to catch her. Finally, when the giant was very close again, Timun Mas threw the shrimp paste. It turned into a boiling mud swamp. The giant stepped into it and began to sink. The mud was hot and thick, trapping him completely. The giant struggled and roared in anger, but he could not escape. Slowly, he sank deeper and deeper until he disappeared forever. Timun Mas was finally safe. She returned home and embraced her mother. Mbok Srini cried with relief and happiness. From that day on, they lived peacefully together, free from fear. Timun Mas grew up to be a wise and strong woman, and she never forgot her courage and her mother's love that saved her life. That's all. Thank you.